This building in Arizona is 1,000 times cleaner than a hospital operating room. Inside it, America is making something that fits on your fingernail. $165 billion. In the Arizona desert, the US government called it the largest foreign direct investment in American history. A human hair is 70,000 nanometers wide. The chips inside are 2 nanometers. One hair on a wafer destroys thousands of chips. Nobody enters without this. This machine costs $350 million. It fires a laser 50,000 times per second to generate a light that prints circuits at 2 nanometers. This wafer, 300 millimeters across, contains hundreds of future chips, each with 50 each transistor, the width of 10 atoms. Deep in the Arizona desert lies the most advanced manufacturing space ever built. Here, we engineer matter at the nanometer scale. Chip manufacturing needs extraordinary amounts of ultra-pure water. In Arizona's desert, TSMC recycles up to 90% of every drop it uses.
Apple, NVIDIA, AMD. Every chip in every iPhone, every AI server, made here. And the order queue is sold out through 2030.
At 2 nanometer right now, 1.3 nanometer designed, 1.2 nanometers on the roadmap. The chips of 2030 will make today's look ancient. This factory will make them. Every critical system runs on chips. America decided it cannot depend on one island for all of them. This is why. By 2030, this campus will have 12,000 employees, producing chips at 1.2 nanometers. This is the most important building in America, and you are one of the few who has seen inside.
The chip inside your phone has 16 billion transistors, made in a room like this. Which device are you holding right now? Drop it in the comments.